If you're on Windows 11, you've probably noticed that Windows Search is quietly being filled with AI clutter you'll never need. That's exactly what we're fixing today. Here's the catch. There's no built-in way to disable it, but I spent a few days building a file that reliably shuts all of this down. All of that gets stripped out in one move. To get started, click the link in the description and download the file. Once it's on your PC, open the text file and copy everything inside. Next, press Windows plus X on your keyboard and choose Terminal, Admin, or PowerShell, Admin, depending on your system. Paste what you copied into the terminal window, then press Enter. It will ask for approval, type Y and hit Enter. The script will automatically create a restore point in case you change your mind later. Once it's done, it restarts File Explorer. When it reopens, just close it, press Windows plus S, and you'll see a completely reorganized search, stripped of all the AI fluff. Notice how much faster searches are now. Results appear almost instantly. Online search still works, but only when you type something that isn't on your PC. And even that is faster than before. No more AI interfering with your search menu. And if you want to keep taking back control of your Windows PC, I've got a video on Copilot coming next week. Subscribe so you don't miss it. If this helped, drop a comment and tell me what else you think Microsoft is hiding on your machine that you'd like me to expose next.